All right, next is going to be adverbs. So in your writer's notebook, you're going to turn one more page to the right, getting a little deeper into the back of the writer's notebook. You'll write adverbs up on top. And adverbs are kind of like adjectives because they modify words too. But they don't modify nouns, they modify verbs, adjectives, or another adverb. Most often they modify to tell us when something is happening, in what manner or how it's happening, where it's happening, and to what extent something is happening. So for when something is happening, it could be happening now, tomorrow, or later. In what manner? It can be happening slowly, suddenly, lots of others. Many adverbs do end in ly, but as you can see here, not all of them. Where? If it's being modified, it could be here, yonder, beneath. To what extent? Totally, dude, or somewhat. And the example you can add into your writer's notebook. Yesterday, the very loud chicken almost escaped. Our adverbs, what are they? Yesterday tells us when, and then very tells us how loud the chicken was, and then almost describes how it escaped. It almost, to what extent, escaped. And there is Snowflake, and when he was a little bit smaller, when she was a little bit smaller than that, she almost did escape. She kind of got stuck in the fence, and that's why you see we have this extra wiring down the bottom. And today's practice on that chicken grammar paper, maybe some of you are needing to use 2 pieces of paper by now. That's fine. Today it comes out of page 264 in your textbook. If you do use 2 pieces of paper, go ahead and staple them together. All right, they want you to identify the adverb, the word it modifies in each of the following sentences, and then revise each sentence to place the adverb at the beginning of the sentence. So in the first sentence you see the adverb was already because it told us when they escaped. And you would start the sentence when you rewrite it. So yes, you're going to have to do that. I know you hate me. All right, let's do it this way. Don't copy the sentence as it exists. Don't bother underlining it. I know I've already got that on the picture, but this will catch people who aren't listening to my presentations. Just rewrite the sentence with the adverb at the beginning. So you'll revise it. So you'll write already, comma, thousands of slaves had escaped from behind southern lines. Do that with each of the ones down below. And you'll see sometimes it's like Yoda speak. Like if you look at sentence number 5, it would start with, decisively, Lincoln spoke his mind. Okay? It's a little weird, but it is grammatically correct. So you got that? Don't bother recopying these sentences. Remember, I'm not about wasting time. Don't bother underlining it. You'll show me you know what the adverb is by just placing it at the beginning of the sentence each time. And yes, you do need to add your own sentence once again. Enjoy.